The rest of the time, as I explained, these elephants, they won't come and give you problems if you're just a neutral thing in their environment. As long as you don't aggress on them, they're fine with you being there.
Would you mind putting a big trunk on the front of his Jeep and 2 years and look like him?
No, because that beefy might mount us.
Yeah, I didn't think about that. Hey, trees are going down one after the other. You're gonna what?
One's blind, the other one's showing you the water.
Oh, that was a good one. That was a very good one. Are there any elephants directly behind us?
No.
It's just the buffalo, right? All of them?
Yes.
But you know how on a day like this, inside the water is so much nicer than outside?
They're not coming up on the road, they're gone?
Yeah, just look behind us.
Yeah, I'm watching behind, don't worry. That's why I came to sit up this side so I could see make sure I could see this
They're
side.
having such a gorgeous swim.
This is such fun.
Yeah, don't worry, they're hippos. Hippos, right here. There's one of these one.
I guarantee you now the hippo is not too happy about this. He just has nowhere else to go.
I think he's getting ready to make there in the middle of the water.
This is so cool.
Hey Pete, you're still doing it! Still doing it!
These
Put
two
you in the
front
water!
ones,
Where?
yeah.
Show me, where?
Yeah, where's the water?
He's having a roll in it.
They're going to go into the other side. So
Yeah.
you better go up there. They're going to go
That's cool.
right
As soon as if I see them walking out that side, we're gonna make a
move.
because they might just be playing around.
Yeah, because you don't want some on that side and some on this side.
Yeah. Because it's very likely they just come into the middle.
One over
'Cause
that over
I
there.
think it might be
To the
quite
other side.
strange if they break
Yes,
away
yeah,
from
the
the other
hippos
half.
are there, look at that. In front of them.
Well, the hippos are right in front of us. That'd be very interesting.
Oh, did you get this one call?
Yeah.
There's one behind us.
There's one right. Well, he's on the edge.
He's going down again. Oh, he's going down.
Yeah, they're all coming back.
Having a klomp bump.
She's going to sort of table it.
There you are, look at that. Heads up. Mom, yeah. Oh, there we go. Hey, Pete. Now show them exactly where the water is.
Yeah. There's the big guy coming down.
Oh, yes.
Oh, there he comes.
As he walks in here, your buddy jam will rise by about a meter.
That's what those hippos are
I've
not too
never
happy
seen
about.
them play like this in the water.
No.
I've seen them walking and playing.